Want to analyze just this month's sales? Or maybe review last month's performance automatically without updating filters every time? In today's video, I'll show you how to create dynamic filters in Excel for this month, last month, and next month using powerful yet easy formulas. Perfect for sales dashboards, monthly reports, and project tracking. Okay, let's dive right in. Let's start with a sample dataset. Here in column A, we have order dates. And in column B, sales amounts. We'll build formulas that automatically identify whether a row belongs to this month, last month, or next month. Let's start by creating a helper column to identify which orders fall in this month based on today's date. In cell C2, enter this formula. This formula checks two things. Does the month of the order date match the current month? And does the year match the current year? If both are true, it returns true, meaning the date is in this month. If not, it returns false. Now, press Enter. Then drag the formula down to apply it to the full column. This is fully dynamic, so as the month changes, the results update automatically without any manual adjustments. Next, let's pinpoint all the dates that fall within last month dynamically. In cell D2, enter the following formula. What's happening here? This calculates the date exactly 1 month before today's date. This part checks if the month of the date in A2 matches last month. And this part ensures the year also matches last month's year. Together, these conditions confirm whether a given date in column A falls in the previous calendar month. This formula updates automatically every day, even across year changes. So your data always shows last month's dates without any extra work. Keep your reports accurate and hassle-free. Same idea for next month. Type this formula in cell E2. The formula looks like this. Now press Enter. And this now dynamically shows which entries fall into next month, perfect for forecasting. Let's put this to work. In the header row, turn on AutoFilter by pressing Ctrl+Shift+L. Boom, you're now only viewing next month's entries. Super helpful for spotting upcoming orders, deadlines, or tasks at a glance. You can also make it visual with conditional formatting. This small trick brings huge value in real-world scenarios, monthly sales dashboards, active project timelines, invoice follow-ups, forecasting next month's tasks or deliveries. And the best part? You never have to rewrite formulas or change filters. Excel handles it all, in real time. Want to take this further? Combine these filters with PivotTables or dynamic charts, and watch your dashboards update instantly every month. First, select your full dataset, including the headers. Go to the Insert tab. Click Pivot Table. Choose where to place the pivot table. And click OK. In the Pivot Table field list, drag Sales Amount to Values. Drag the All Month tag column to Filters. Drag Order Date to Rows. Now, choose True from the filter dropdown to instantly view only that period's data. Your pivot table will now reflect only the sales for that specific period. And it also auto-updates every month based on today's date. Want to add a dynamic chart? Click inside the pivot table. Go to the Insert tab. Pick column or line chart. Now, the chart is now linked to the filtered pivot table and changes automatically every month. Make filtering even more user-friendly with slicers. To add a slicer, click inside the pivot table. Go to Pivot Table Analyze tab. Click on Insert Slicer. Select the helper column. Now click OK. And just like that, click True or False on the slicer to filter. And there you have it. If this helped simplify your monthly reporting, don't forget to tap that thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel made easy. Got a question or use case to share? Drop it in the comments. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and keep learning the smart way with Easy Click Learning.